Hello beautiful people, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. This video is inspired by my previous video, the magical toner we all love. I'm going to show you how to make a nourishing face and body scrub from home using the peels from the toner. If you haven't watched the video yet, I will link it here for you. In this bowl I have lemon, lime and orange peels. The next ingredient is oatmeal. Oatmeal exfoliates and cleanses your skin, helps boost collagen and reduces skin inflammation. I'm going to crush the oatmeal because the grains are a bit bigger than the texture of the scrub I'm aiming to achieve. And I'll also go ahead to crush the peels as well to a desired texture. We will now mix the oatmeal and the peels together and add honey. Honey has a unique ability to promote skin cell regeneration. Its healing properties softens, brightens, and clarifies the skin. Hey, if you've made it this far, please smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification button so you don't miss any video from me. It's now time to add the olive oil. Olive oil provides deep hydration to the skin, reduces the appearance of wrinkles, puffiness, and swelling. It also gently exfoliates the skin. This one came as a surprise to me when I was completing my research. It's good to know that the olive oil can also add a bit of exfoliation to our scrub. The last ingredient is shower gel. Shower gel is going to help us bind all the ingredients together to make the scrub and give the scrub a bit of a slip. And voila! We have made the most potent brightening scrub at home in less than no time. Please store the scrub in an airtight container for about 7 days. It can't go longer if you keep it in the fridge. This scrub is packed and rich in antioxidants. Apply it to your face, neck and body in a circular motion for instant, fresh, brighter, radiant and hydrated skin. If you haven't liked the video, hey, come on. Please do so and consider subscribing if you haven't. Until I see you in my next video, stay beautiful and I love you. Take care of yourselves. Bye.